In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Microsoft Teams notification sound. Whether you're working in a bustling office or from the comfort of your home, customizing notification sounds can enhance your focus and productivity. With these simple steps, you can tailor the sound alerts to better suit your environment and personal preferences. First things first, you'll need to log into your Microsoft Teams account. Open up your preferred browser and navigate to the Microsoft Teams website. Enter your credentials if prompted, ensuring that your information is correct. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard, familiar with its tidy layout and user-friendly functions. Next, take a look at the upper right corner where your profile picture or avatar resides. Right next to it, there are 3 dots. These dots are more than just an aesthetic feature. They hold the key to accessing various settings options. Go ahead and click on them. This will reveal a drop-down menu filled with several options related to your account and app management. Now that you've got the drop-down menu open, look for the Settings option. Clicking on it will open a new window or tab, depending on your browser setup. This settings area is where you can change several aspects of the Teams experience to personalize it for your work style. In the settings menu, you'll notice a section listed on the left-hand side titled Notifications and Activity. Clicking on this will guide you straight into the heart of where all notification preferences are held. It's the central hub for managing which updates and alerts you receive, and importantly, how you hear them. Once inside the notifications section, keep an eye out for the sound subsection. It's where you'll be able to delve into all things audio. By selecting sound, you open a range of audio options and preferences that Microsoft Teams has provided for a more customized experience. Finally, within the sound section, you will see the option to modify the default notification sound. You'll notice a series of choices, including softest and softer and clearer and clearest. These options allow you to select a sound that best fits your work atmosphere. Feel free to try each one and choose the one that feels just right. By following these steps, you have full control over your notification sounds, creating a workspace that's uniquely yours. Whether you require a gentle tone in a quiet setting or a more pronounced alert to catch your attention amid distractions, these options have you covered. Personalizing your digital environment can make all the difference in your workflow, giving you the auditory cues you need to efficiently manage your tasks within Microsoft Teams.